Wind by Subramania Bharati. This poem is derived from the poet's observation and devotion. He sees the effects of the wind in general and of stormy weather. He also praises the wind god. We are able to appreciate the keenness of the poet's vision and his unique thought process about something as apparently simple as the wind. The poet suggests everyone to be strong physically and mentally. Wind here is the symbol of difficulties or obstacles humans have to face for their survival. People with strong physique and good mental health will be able to stand and face odds or obstacles of life. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Word meanings: shutters, hinged panels used to close or open windows. Scatter, throw in different directions. Softly, slowly. Explanation: the poet makes requests to the wind, asking it not to blow so strongly that it breaks down the shutters of the windows as they separate man from the stormy environment outside. So he is asking the wind for protection. He also asks the wind not to scatter the papers in his room, to throw down the books from his bookshelves with its force.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही
There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Explanation: here the poet accuses the wind of blowing too strongly and creating the mess in his room with the books thrown down from the shelves and their pages torn. He sees outside and tells the wind that it has brought rain with it again. You're very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. Word meanings: poking at, making of. Weaklings, weak bodies or persons. Frail, weak. Crumbling, destroying, breaking. Rafters, sloping beams supporting a roof. Wind god, symbolic of all kinds of wind. Winnows, separates weak from strong. Explanation: now the poet speaks in a subdued tone to the wind, saying that it makes mischief whenever it encounters anyone who is too meek, that is humble, and mild to protest against its actions. It tears down doors, rafters, and even entire wooden houses altogether, leaving people without shelter from the harsh world outside. This is an idiom implying that the troubles we face in life come as suddenly as the wind and also leave suddenly. As the poet says, the wind can tear down weak bodies and fragile hearts. That is, difficulties in life can lead to a loss of hope as well as a loss of life. Thus, it is all up to the wind god, says the poet.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही
He won't do what you tell him. So, come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. Word meanings: firm, make strong. Steadfast, firm and determined. Explanation. The poet now speaks to the readers, saying that the wind does not listen to anybody and its actions are governed by it alone. To escape its harmful effects, we should build our homes on a strong foundation and ensure that their doors cannot be easily penetrated, that is, get access to by the wind. Also, we must train our bodies and our hearts to combat and resist, that is, face the ill effects of the wind. If we are able to do this, then we will no longer consider the wind an enemy. Instead, the wind will invite us to become its friend. This is an idiom meaning that if we make our character strong, we will be able to combat any troubles easily. However, if our character is weak, the troubles will create problems for us.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।